Okay, welcome to Friday Finds. So today I'm showcasing my photo booth that I have created to help photograph, have consistency in my photography when I am showcasing my baked goods. So let me go over here and turn on this light really quick. And so you can see the booth is about 2 feet by 2 feet, and it's very well lit. It's got a light up in here, and it comes with this cloth so that it can dim the light a little bit so it's not a harsh light. And it also has a dimmer, so I'm gonna reach in here and grab it. I can dim the lights like low, or I can make them really high. So I have it set at a certain light area, and as you can see, I have it set up for Halloween. So I picked up these things at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. So I got this at the Dollar Tree for $3. I got this for $1.25, because now the Dollar Tree, everything's $1.25. I got these eyeballs for $1.25. Got this cute little box for $1.25. And this coffin for $1.25. Also from the Dollar Tree. All of these things, you guys, are from the Dollar Tree. Okay. And then I also got this stand, believe it or not, for $3 at the Dollar Tree. I got these little skulls that actually have candy in them, but I'm using them mostly for background. And then of course you see that we have a cupcake here. We put a little ring on it. So it's just kind of like a prop, right? But the idea is to either have mini cupcakes in here and have this open and showcase the mini cupcakes, or to have mini cupcakes or macarons in here. So yeah, there's a lot of great stuff. By the way, I also got this, what do you call this? This mat at it was not at the Dollar Tree. That was at TJ Maxx. So for all the things listed, I will go ahead and put them inside of the description. I hope you enjoyed this little Friday Finds tour. Thanks, Chef Letty. Signing out. Bye.